I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Earth Pro and your screen recorder. Make sure audio is off to keep file sizes down. Load the target place mark and position the initial camera angle. This is your first frame. Adjust zoom to the starting level and save a place mark. Once done, set the final zoom point and save that too so you can toggle between them smoothly. Now prepare a clean desktop, close notifications, and set the recorder to 30 FPS for consistent motion. Use the tour recorder to capture the actual zoom motion. Hit record, slowly move the camera from the start place mark to the end place mark, then stop and save the tour. Once saved, open the tour properties and tweak keyframe timings so motion eases in and out rather than snapping. This makes the zoom feel cinematic. If you need exact control, export the tour as KML and edit timestamps or camera headings. Then preview the tour and re-record until the motion is consistent and pleasing. Record the full screen tour with your screen recorder, then import the footage into a video editor to trim, add crossfades, or overlay titles. Export as MP4 at the project resolution. If you see stutter, make sure other apps are closed, switch to hardware encoding, or drop to 720p temporarily to ease CPU load. Also double-check recorder FPS matches, export FPS to avoid timing drift. If audio sync drift appears, remove audio and add a separate narration track, record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.